Good evening, teacher. Today I will introduce you to my favorite music genre. Speaking to my favorite genre. Teacher Gonzalo Riveros, students Lara Montenegro Joel, Bios Basic Cure 6. The musical genre I like is rock. Rock originates in the 1950 in the United States and in the 1960s in the United Kingdom. The former was known as the Golden Age or also as the Classic Rock period. Rock musical characteristics: use of the pentatonic scale and the blues scale, extended format, singer electric guitar, drum and electric bass, use of sound amplification, reducers and massive power, rhythmic accentuation, use of distortion effects, frequent use of syncopation, sound extruded in verse chariots, interspersed with sound or improvisations. My six favorite rock singers are Mana Group, Soda Stereo Group, Los Prisioneros, Magnetic Group. I really like this genre because it has different rhythms to dance to and also because they are fun and happy music.